Oh dear God, your sister said.
Alright, go ahead. Ready whenever you are.
Watch Kirby jump, baby.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go, Garrett! Jump, baby!
That's way up there.
Come on, man.
We're running out of video time!
Oh, that hurt his butt.
Are you going, Savannah?
If they jump off that, they could jump off Kelsey Creek Bridge.
They could easily jump off Kelsey Creek Bridge. But that's more scary. There's rocks and shit down there. This is hella deep. Are you gonna go or not?